Question number 2. This table shows the temperature at 9 AM on 3 days in January. So we've got the 1st of January is 5 degrees, positive 5. 8th of January is negative 4 degrees. And 15th of January is positive 1 degree. What is the difference between the temperature on the 1st of January and the 8th of January? So we need the difference between the temperature, which is on the 8th was -4, and on the 1st is positive 5. Now anytime you find the difference between a positive and negative number, it's always good to think of a number line. And think of 0 separating out the negative numbers from the positive numbers. So negative numbers would be on this side, and up to 0, and positive numbers will be on this side, higher than 0. Now let's just have a think about it. So from -4 up to 0, that's just a gap of 4, and from 0 up to 5, that's just a gap of 5. So the total gap from -4 up to positive 5 is this 4 here plus this 5 here, and 4 plus 5 is 9, so there's a 9-degree gap, and that's the answer to the first question. If you add 9 onto -4, you do get to positive 5. The second part of the question says on the 22nd of January the temperature was 7 degrees lower than on the 15th of January. So it's almost like we need an extra column on the end for the 22nd of January. And it was 7 degrees lower than this 1 here. So we need to basically take another 7 off 1. So if you think about what 1 take away 7 is, well, if you did it the other way round, 7 take away 1 would equal 6. And if you can spot that this is going into negative numbers, then the answer is basically going to be this answer here, but with a negative in front of it. So 7 take away 1 is 6, 1 take away 7, the other way round, is going to be negative 6. And that's your answer to the final question, negative 6. In the same way that 30 take away 10 would be 20, if you switch this round, 10 take away 30 would be negative 20. One final example, where it's with even harder numbers. If you do 33 take away 8, if you figure that out, that's going to be 25. But if you switch it round and do 8 take away 33, that would be -25. So that really helps you here. Okay? We're trying to do 1 take away 7. So 7 take away 1 is 6. So you flip it around, 1 take away 7 is going to be -6. And that's the answer to the second part of the question. So your two answers are 9 degrees in the first box and -6 degrees in the second box.